Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to install Microsoft Windows 7 onto your PC. So let's get started. Uh, First of all, you'll need to put your CD, Windows installation CD into your CD-ROM and then start up your computer, or just if it was already started, just restart. Um, Alright, you should go to this page. Once you restart, it's tell you that Windows is loading files. By the way, I'm using a virtual machine to do this because I don't really like to record it with the camera on my actual PC, so just for high definition video. Alright, so the Windows is booting now. Alright, so if you come to a page like this, you don't get this usually, but if you come to a page like this, just go select your languages. Uh, I'll go with English for this installation, and then when you come to this page, make sure you have your language to make the Windows work with. You have a lot of options usually, but here I only have 4. So I'll go with English and everything English. Right, click next, click install now, and then just wait until. Alright, so when you come to this page, if you don't usually come to this page, but if you do, which is great, you have the option of installing any version you want. Into my CD, I have only Home Premium, Professional, and Ultimate. I'll go with the Windows Ultimate and hit next. So here you'll be taken to a user license agreement. You must agree for it, and just click here if you do accept it, and click next. Over here, I recommend to go with custom installation, so that means that it's clean installation. You will erase all your hard drive, and you will lose all your files and stuff when you go with this one. The upgrade, it won't happen only if you're installing the Windows while the Windows is already turned up and running on your PC. But if you want a clean installation, just go with custom. And now over here you will be taken to a hard drive selection. Since this is a virtual machine, my hard drive is already clean and stuff. But if it's not clean, just go in advanced and format. Select your hard drive and format it. This will erase all your data and makes it an empty hard drive, so you can have more space to work with while you're running your Windows. Then after selecting the hard drive you have selected, usually you will have more than one hard drive, like 2, 3, 4. Some of them are recovery hard drives. Never mess up with them. Don't even play with recovery hard drives. Alright, make sure it says primary. Well, okay, over here this hard drive I can't install on because it's just an empty. So I'll just go new and apply. Click OK. And usually Windows will make another partition onto your hard drive just to save the features of Windows 7 on it. So when the installation is being processed, you will have no problems. So as you can see here, I have 2 partitions now. This partition is for system features, while the installation, as you can see, it's only 100 megabytes. It has took like 0.1 gigabyte of my hard drive. As you can see here, it says primary. Anything else than primary, don't mess up with it. Just leave it as it is. Alright? Then click next. As you can see, my format now is available. I can format it if I want, but it's already clean and nothing on it. So I'll just go next. And now you'll be taken to the Windows installation system. So I'll pause the video while the Windows is installing. Alright guys, I have forget to mention something before in the installation. So the installation will restart your computer automatically. So after the restart, if you were not taken to this page again, okay, to this page, if you were taken to the very first page where it says Windows 7 install, has the option of install. If you were taken there, so and you weren't on this page, you gotta go onto your BIOS. Alright, just restart your machine. So you should be taken to a page like this. When you go on your BIOS setup and just navigate to your boot menu and make sure it says removable device. If it was removable device, CD-ROM, and then network boot, whatever, and hard drive. This is your hard drive. The last one is your hard drive where your Windows was installed on. So if your CD in your CD-ROM and you were taken to very first page where it tells you Windows 7 install, it gives you the option to install or cancel the installation. Alright, on the very first page, if you were taken there after the restart, alright, what you gotta do, change the hard drive and make it the first. Because this is a virtual machine, I have to use the plus and minus sign on my keyboard, but on a real computer you will be using F6 and F7 to change the value to make it first, second, or third, or navigating them. Alright, so just make sure if you were taken to the first installation page, to the first page, if you were taken there, just go and make the hard drive the first option of your boot menu, like in this, if it was first, so the computer won't check the CD-ROM or USBs or anything else. It will just go directly to the hard drive and boot from the hard drive. And remember, do not take your CD off. Do not take the CD off the CD-ROM while installing, because that could ruin your installation and might just mess it up. So make sure that the hard drive stays on the first one, and then just click F10 to save and click yes, and then it should be configured and everything should be good. This is a different virtual machine. I'll just close it up. Okay, let's go back to, alright, here we go. Our Windows has been installed. So just type in whatever your username is. I'll just type in my username, Mojo 2009. Right? I know my channel says Mojo 29, but for some reason it should be 2009. But alright, over here, if you would like to have a password on your user account, just type it in here. If you don't want to, well, you don't need it. Click next. Over here is a product key. If you don't have a product key, alright, I'll be making another video how to activate Windows 7 without entering the CD code. But if you have a CD code, just type it in and click next. If you don't have it, click next. Alright, and click on user recommended settings and click on next. and here's your network, um, like network configuration. Usually go with home, but home takes like a lot of time. You will definitely go with home. Okay, click on home network, but because just to save time for my video because of YouTube limitation, I'll just go and click on public. You click on home, alright? And here's Windows 7 Ultimate. Windows is finalizing your settings. And I'll pause the video while Windows is doing that. Alright, I think the Windows has finished filterizing, and here it says welcome. It's a welcome screen. As you can see, Windows 7 Ultimate that I have chosen to install. We'll just wait a bit. Okay, I'll pause the video again. Didn't really work. Okay, you should see something like preparing your desktop. Yeah. Alright guys, here's how does Windows 7 on the first look. As you can see, I just got installing updates. About the drivers and stuff, if you have some missing drivers, just go to your manufacturer company and type in your model number of, like for example, if you have Toshiba like me, type in Toshiba and my model number. If you have Sony, type in Sony and whatever your model number is, HP and whatever model is. And just go Windows 7 if you have 32-bit or 64-bit. Both are different. So just select your operating system. And how do you know if you have 32 or 64? Click on the start menu. Go to computer. Right click. And then go properties. From there, just let it load up. Scroll down and you should see system type, and it should say 32 or 64. If 64, go for 64 links. If it says 32-bit, then go for 32-bit links. And also there's some recommendation I would make. So to get the arrow running, if you didn't get it from the first time you installed it, if you were like having something like this, not my actual Windows, like the Windows in the operating and the virtual machine. You see, if it doesn't has the arrow, just go on the rating and click here, and then click on rate this computer. And if you already had Vista with the arrow running, then you probably can get the arrow run on Windows 7. And if you want to see if your computer has been activated or not, and remember, if you did not put a serial key or a product key when you installed, it will give you a 30 days trial. Alright, after that you can't even use it anymore. You have to reinstall the Windows and all this stuff, or you just enter CT code. If you don't have CD code, just search on YouTube how to crack the Windows 7 to get like a full version without paying it. I'll be making a video on how to do that. So from now and then, guys, if you have any questions, comment below or send me a message on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Peace.